Meghe Group of educational institutions, they are quality institutions and they are absolutely self-speaking in character. Apart from being class institutions, the societal commitment therein is paramount and the societal concern is depicted in a very huge way. What is true for the educational institutions is equally true for the healthcare services. Healthcare services to reach poorest of the poor, weakest of the weak, remotest of the remote, and that too as a part of the societal onus in a dispassionate way, I think turns out to be a real essence of humanity, which is worthy appreciation and also worthy of emulation.
It was a very modest beginning. It's a very long and a very interesting story. Our Chancellor is son of the soil. He belongs to this particular place and he has come from a very average background. He had a lot of financial constraints and also constraints pertaining to getting medical help for his family when he was a child. It was his desire that whatever constraints he has faced, the other people who are underprivileged should not face, and he wanted to create a very good healthcare facility in this particular place.
I have very fond memories of Honorable Chancellor Shri Dattaji Meghe. He is a very, very nice person, very human, always ready to help anyone in distress.
He has absolutely been a man of helping nature to anybody and everybody. A man who is voluminously tall, significantly creative, but he is so modest and so down to earth.
चेयरमैन साहब की बड़ी ख्वाहिश थी कि हमारा जो पैतृक गांव है पवनार, वो यहाँ से 20 किलोमीटर दूर है, तो यहाँ के लोगों को मैं कुछ अपनी सुविधाएं दूँ, क्योंकि उन्होंने बहुत गरीबी देखी है।
हमारे जो मदर राधिका बाई मेघे वो अनपढ़ थे, लेकिन वो बहुत शार्प थे और उनकी इच्छा थी कि हम लोग बहुत गरीब थे, हम एजुकेशन भी नहीं ले सकते हैं, तो उसने पवनार से वर्धा तक हम पैदल आए और वर्धा में एक छोटी रूम थी 10 बाय 10 की, वहाँ हमने पढ़ाई शुरू किया। हमारे मदर ने ये बोला, भाई तेरे को कोई लाइफ में अच्छा चांस मिलता है, तो एक मेडिकल कॉलेज खोल के गरीब लोगों की सेवा करो।
कोई भी छोटा कर्मचारी रहो, स्वीपर लेवल का रहो, बड़ा रहो, वो साहब की तरफ से कोई भी जाए तो ऐसे नहीं बोल रहे कि छोटा है बड़ा है, सबको अपने घर के जैसे समझते, घर जैसे बर्ताव देते।
मैंने लाइफ में सबसे बड़ा काम किया, पेशेंट लोगों को जो यहाँ ट्रीटमेंट देते हैं वो देख के मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है।